I'm Ibrahim al-Hafi. I am a mechatronics engineer. I work in an international company that manufactures fiberglass pipes for oil and gas. I am the Regional R&D Manager in the company. I'm Lebanese and currently working in Saudi Arabia. When I had a setback, I was stuck in my current job. First, I started as a project leader, then a production manager, then now I'm the regional R&D. I realized that I'm gonna be stuck like any other person if I don't work on myself. And I saw the difference was they don't, or most of the people are comfortable in their comfort zone and they accept what they have. I don't accept what I have. I always want more, and I cannot get more if I don't pursue something that's going to make me better. And of course, I see many successful people, and I try to figure out what they did. And of course, I did my research, and I saw that they are having some certificates and they are having some expertise in their field by learning, having many degrees or other degrees than the work they work in. So that was an eye-opening for me to try this journey, and it was rewarding, to be honest. Yeah, of course, it benefits me in terms of approaching problem solving. That's for sure. A new way of problem solving benefits me with the communication. In terms of the thinking, that's the most important thing for me, how to approach the problem and solve it. And the reward that you're gonna get is amazing. They are very good in dealing with us, and the courses were very not easy. The courses are not easy, but they are very human friendly. The way that the course was delivered is amazing. The instructor knowledge is unparalleled, really, in this domain, in the AI and machine learning. It was great, and the way of communication, it was very professional between the instructor and the students. I really recommend Simplilearn. Actually, there are now, for me, there are different plans. One is to grow in my current career, current position, and the other one is to have my own company. This is a high risk, high reward, but I see the opportunities, and I think if the opportunity is there, you need to take the risk to make it happen. And I believe I have two ways: either grow in my current job, or to have my own business in the AI and machine learning. Continue learning. That's the most important thing. Is no matter what domain you are approaching, just don't stop learning.